And, um, basahin ko. Uh, this module you will complete the following exercises: wireless domain name system, other types of attacks, such as code execution. Completing this module, you should be able to verify domain reputation, perform MAC flooding using Yersinia, perform SYN flooding attack, switch off the Windows firewall on PLAB Win 10, ICMP flood attack, ping of that attack, contact and address resolution protocol. So, okay, X1 wireless are everywhere now. Biggest advantage of wireless network is it allows user mobility unlike the Ethernet network where user is restricted due to an Ethernet cable being used. Evil twin: normal scenario, user would connect to a wireless access point. The attacker first finds the target WAP, set up another WAP with the SSID. Attacker tends to choose to BSC, WAP, or wireless access point. Users are not able to connect to the WAP. They may choose Evil twin with the same SSID. Rogue access points: it is not been authorized by a network administrator in an organization. User brings a wireless access point from home and installs a network by plugging Internet cable. Simplest example of the rogue access point. Okay. Threats to Bluetooth devices: open standard wireless technology used to exchange information and files between two devices only works with short-range radio frequencies when two devices connect with each other using Bluetooth connection. Some set of Bluetooth devices are bluejacking, other devices that is Bluetooth of connection open, blue snipping, directional antenna to establish connection with Bluetooth enabled devices for up to connect up to 1.6 kilometers per mile. Okay. Blue snarfing uses the blue jacking method to connect to the device, gain access to the address, book, contact information, email, text messages. Snarfing uses Bluetooth to steal information from wireless devices. Blue snarfing attack or cure using unintended Bluetooth pairing. Wire nibbling or casing. Find secured unpatched Bluetooth connections. Then steal information. Wire nibbling is similar to wire diving, which is performed to the wireless network. Jamming is a denial of service against wireless medium. Can use various devices or equipment to do this. Generate interference signal to block any type of communication being sent to the channel that was being used. RFID or radio frequency identifier to across different industries. One of the most common uses to using them as tags to identify a piece of hardware, even item to supply chain. Wait lang. Nawala. Wala. Diba? Okay. Okay. So, the hardware advantage event in an item in a supply chain placed on each device or item. Readers can communicate with the chips. Each chip design a unique identifier. The inventory system tracks both chips and readers. RFIDs also prone to various types of attacks, which are sorry, eavesdropping, replay. The communication between legitimate reader and a card is recorded and played at a later time. Sniffing steals the communication between the card and the reader. Man in the middle intercepts original communication between the reader and the card. Cloning method of Eavesdropping. Another eavesdropping authorized reader listen to communication between the RFID card and reader. Replay recorded and play at the later time. Sniffing communication between card and reader. Sniffs. Man in the middle attacks and the original communication. Spoofing, cloning parties complete with the clone card. Attacker can access information. Near-field communication includes two wireless devices communicating to touching and bringing them in close proximity. So, RFID attacks also apply to NSC. These attacks eavesdropping, data modification, man in the middle. At learning to plain text of one packet, the hacker tries to compute the RC4 keystring generated by the form. Using this method, the attackers can build a decryption table using every possible set to decrypt all the packets to SEM1 uh, method time. Domain name is responsible for name resolution. It provides domain name or IP address mapping. Yeah, versatile. Okay. May nice lang ako, sorry. After completing exercise, you should have further knowledge of your domain hijacking, DNS poisoning, DNS spoofing attack, universal resource locator, URL. This attack, domain hijacking, is to gain attacker gains access to the domain registration to get hold of the primary DNS information. Yes, poisoning refers to DNS spoofing, corrupts the DNS data residing in the DNS cache. It is successful. The DNS server will return wrong IP address when resolving the host or the domain name, source of traffic being diverted to another computer. Okay. DNS spoofing refers to attack that diverts domain name to incorrect IP address. URL redirection is a method of sending a client request from one URL to another URL. Last one, verify domain reputation. So, na tayo magsa-start. PLABWIN 10. Buksan natin. Something na. na tayo. Microsoft Edge. Tingnan natin kasi nawawala yung connection. Internet pair is type following URL. Hindi kaya, gawin na lang. Ito lang naman. Look at the following. Google.com. Okay. Nakikita na. Page under location data and reputation details. You're on IP address tab. Check your email volume history. Email volume history. Ayan. Okay. Yan, okay na. Take a screenshot. Exercise 3 other types of attack. As more of the system service makes their presence on the internet, the attack surface increases right from the simple harmless web browser and critical web server. Everything on the internet can be considered unsafe. Businesses should be able to perform MAC flooding and SYN flooding of Windows Firewall, ICMP for the attack, data attack, Address Resolution Protocol, ARP. Distributive denial of service, which sends high traffic to the target, one of the kind of attack which is used by the attacker. DOS attacking an application which is running on the server. Manning the browser. Conducted is installing a Trojan as web browser extension. Trojan can be sent to users in the middle account as attachment. Man in the middle. Attacker is able to intercept communication between two users. MAC cloning spoofing. Device on network as MAC address which is globally unique. A user with a wireless network can choose to implement the MAC. Connect to PB calling. Yeah, okay. Yun na lang. Where is it? Root password. Desktop is displayed. Open terminal. Terminal. Yersinia. Okay. Yersinia window is not fully visible. Ensure that you are on the CDP tab in the right. Click launch attack. Launch attack. The choose attack dialog is displayed. Heading CDP packet. Select flooding. TPP. And click OK. Okay. Note that flooding initially installed. Okay. Select a value upper right pane. Note select the number of the nodes, each one at different MAC address. Tignan natin. Tignan natin. Click step 10, click list attack. Running attack dialog box, click stop. Okay. Note that the attack is now stopped. Click quit on the running attacks dialog. So ito yun na rin na. Okay. Perform SYN flooding conducted by attacker to send the flood of SYN packet of targets. When there are flood large number of SYN package, the target cannot respond to them. When responding to these SYN packets, the target system starts consuming all its resources until it exhausts them. Step 1. Typically, the terminal is open, clear screen fix of the problem. Terminal window, type the following command. Typing 3 5 192.168.0.2 3 192.168.0.4 flood. Connect the PLab win and type with the search box Wireshark. Wireshark. Windows now open. From the database select Ethernet. Upper left corner, click to start capturing packets. Packet is now being captured. Flooded SYN packets are sent to 192.168, which is the PLab win 10. Okay. PLab win 10 running out of system resources. Switch to PLab Kali. Showing coding still in progress. Sorry. Oh. Okay. Ito. Muna ako. Tingnan natin. Kung wala, ayan. Ayaw talaga. Yun ang mangyayari. So, gusto ko nga ulitin ko. So, Kung wala, sunod ko na lang ito dito. Okay, balik na tayo. Saan na ako? This is logging is still in progress. Wait lang. Hold on. Two, one, six, eight. Okay. Wala. Switch off the Windows Firewall. Alam natin kung paano. Windows Firewall, Defenders, turn off halos lahat para open siya. So, perform ICM from beside the top. Skip ko na lang ito lahat. Select Wireshark. Stop. Saan na yan? Wireshark. From the start menu. Select Ethernet. Start computing packets. Packets captures progress as baby time. Clear. Clear. HPC C100 ICMP 192.168.0.3. You'll be sending 100 ICMP X target systems. So we should prepare Kanye. The pack has been successfully terminated. Tingnan natin. Kung wala, skip na tayo. Skip na lang tayo. Mission pivot. Close the Wireshark. Switch to pivot, then close the Wireshark. On the unsaved packet, click stop and quit. Stop and quit without saving. Ping of death attack. Using ping command to perform ping of death. So, interior power all device device listed in introduction and connect to PLAB M01. Wala pa ta. Yun. The server manager window is displayed. You can close the screen. Right click the Windows channel, select one. Right click the Windows channel. Run. Tapos, nilalagay ko. CMD. Command. Tapos, ping 192.168.73 K L 65,500. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Switch to PLAB Win 10. TP on desktop. Right there, taskbar. Click yes man. Explore na to. Task manager. You click for more details or details. Notice that the multiple tasks in Task Manager will appear with the performance. The other performance task tab. The CPU option is selected by default. Click Ethernet. Option is selected by default. Click Ethernet. Ito na ako. Hindi ko alam paano. The performance task with the front CPU option is selected. Task Manager. Wala talaga. Magkaano. Ayan. So ano natin, gawin ko na lang, dire-diretso ko na lang ito. Manage system, increase network activity on the PLAB system. Control C to terminate. Switch back to powering 10, network facility requires task conduct an address resolution protocol poisoning attack, as well as ARP spoofing. Hacker sends fake ARP address to the network. Also links in his own MAC address with IP address in the other system. These are all powered by the series to introduce Webcali. Webcali. Application, select online sniffing and spoofing aims and select Ethercap Graphical. Ay nako, nagkaka-suspended na minsan-minsan kaya okay na. Ganun din sa mga iba, so Ethercap now starts. You can set to go ahead with the default settings while sniffing to automatically start at the startup. Before you proceed further, ARP is posting it. Let's first check the ARP table on Plugin 10. CMD. Gamit tayo CMD. The ARPA, press enter. Notice that each system has a different MAC address. Switch back to P.Kai. Sniffing is already on the extreme upper right corner. Click 3 dots, click host and then select send host. Click the 3 dots, host, select host. Hotlist tab is displayed. Wala kasi ito eh. Kaya hindi ko maano. Hindi ko siya ma-open. Here. Tapos, root. Flipping is spoofing. Tapos, walang Ethercap graphical. Ayan. Click accept. Because Ethercap starts now. Accept. You need to fill the Win 10. Click the Windows. CMD. Hindi. Just kaya gawin ko na lang manual ko na lang gawin to. Nangyari? Ba't ang bagal? Then, gawin natin na CMD ARP A. Tapos, note that each system has different MAC addressing. Mga internet address. Kalat. So, switch back to previous. Hmm. Saan na ba tayo? Click host. Wow. Nawala kasi. Sorry. Tapos, stitching is already in process. Hindi ko makita. Wait lang. Host. 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 Tapos, scan for host. Click the three dots, click host, and then select host list. Notice several system appear of the list. Tingnan natin. Asa na? Saan na ba ako? Hindi ko kita. Delay kasi yung ano ko eh. Host list. Ayan, nakikita natin yung mga listahan ng address. Pinatin natin add target 1. You can see that on CO2 has been added to target. Next, that was add as a target 2. Note the IP address is now added to our target 1 and target 2. Next, we will perform ARP poisoning attack. Click the MITM menu. For ATM, we use ARP poisoning. Tapos, ensure sniff remote connections. Click OK. Switch over to PowerPoint 10. Type the following command: RP ARP A. Ito na. Nakadetect yung IP address. Address nun. The same. Close the command prompt. Switch back to PLABCAD. Ay. I-delay kasi. Yun ang hirap. Plugins. Manage. One-on-one. Check if the poisoning has success. If the status of group 1 and 2 are now displayed with the change MAC address, which is retrieving a circle. Ay, mali. Format issues with malicious code descriptions. We've already hacked. Script. PowerShell is a malware. It's a common practice malware depending on the design functionality. Upon its execution, can cause damage. New type of malware known as a fileless malware. PowerShell.exe XP bypass, not exit download string. Python used by programmers to write small scripts or to create large complex many application applications good use. Python extensively used by hackers. Malicious scripts applications. Bash is one of the initial platforms where malware and viruses were written. Virtual Basic for Applications (VBA) and macros. VBA is mainly used with Microsoft applications like MS Word to automate various tasks. In VBA, you can access system events. Okay. Which of the following tool can be used to automate the setup of an evil twin? Wi-Fi route. Use Wi-Fi pineapple. Okay. Okay. Following it knows a DNS spoofing. DNS spoofing. Um, DNS hijacking. DNS poisoning. DNS poisoning. Which of the following tools can be used to conduct a distributed denial of service? DDP Flutter. Alam ko, Hook. DDD Flutter. iNMSC. Di lahat. Which of the following global unique system? MAC address. The matter be triggered in a document opens. Document opens. Python or Bash? I think it's Python. Macros.